Are you a teacher, a user of Compilatio Magister or Magister Plus? You probably collect homework from various groups of students. We will see together how an organization by folder facilitates the search for your students' homework, depending on the type of assessment. Automation of the launch of your analyses. Create a folder and define the general parameters. Depending on your organization, choose the way you prefer to launch your analyses. Automatic analyses. Analyses are launched as soon as the document is submitted. Planned analyses. Analyses are launched at the date and time selected, or stay on a manual launch directly in your folder. Definitions of suspicious text thresholds. Quickly identify results with adapted visual cues. Adjust the similarity thresholds depending on the type of assignment requested from students, the discipline taught, or the standards of your institution. The default thresholds are as follows: from 0 to 10% in green, from 10 to 25% in orange, and beyond 25% in red. Document database. When you analyze a document, you probably want it to be compared with all the documents you have analyzed in the past. This way, you can check that students have not copied passages from work done by students in previous classes. To be used as comparison material, your documents must be present in your document database. If you click on Add Automatically, each document deposited in this folder will be added to your document database by default. It is always possible to remove a document from the document database. We recommend that you activate this option. On the other hand, if the documents collected in the folder are drafts, intermediate versions, or are confidential, we recommend that you deactivate this option. During the analysis, the document is not kept as comparison material for future analyses. Remember to save your settings. With the folder options, you are well organized. Discover other features of Compilatio Magister and Magister Plus in video.
Cette vidéo vous a été présentée par mon avatar avec l'aide d'une intelligence artificielle.